Good morning, garden friends and garden family. It's your girl Vanessa B, and I'm in Zone 7B, New Jersey. And today I'm gonna harvest a few things. This is a nice sized cucumber, Berkeley's cucumber. I have tomatoes that are blushing in here, so I want to pick them. These are Romas. So now we're over in the cottage garden, and I'm gonna harvest some corn. Wow, this one is looking very nice. Oh, this is sweet corn. I'm gonna come along and pick that up and throw it next to my pumpkins. It went all the way up. This is a success. Successful. You don't have to film it all. Oh, this is nice. Just have to cut that little tip off. Honey, you gotta stay over there. And this is my harvest for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.